Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Apex Legends won't start and basically is crashing on startup. So this only means one major thing, which is you have a missing or corrupted data. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that your Apex Legends is updated to the latest version. And on Steam, you could right click on Apex Legends, click Properties, and from here navigate through the installed files. You want to make sure that you verify the game files are installed correctly. So to do that, click verify integrity of game files. And basically what this do is that it will check every file installed on Apex Legends and it will then go ahead and simply fix it. So just click on this button and it should fix a lot of your issues, including the Apex Legends crashing on startup. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.